If you're currently a member of the YouTube Partner Program and have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can now enable channel memberships. Awesome! That means I no longer need 30,000 subscribers to make money beyond displaying YouTube ads. In this YouTube channel membership tutorial, you'll learn how to enable and set up YouTube channel memberships. You'll learn about the different channel membership levels, what kind of perks you can offer your members, and how to manage your channel memberships. What are channel memberships? They're a great way to make extra money from YouTube channel by offering perks to YouTube channel members in exchange for a small monthly fee. For instance, you could offer members-only live streams, members-only chat, members-only scripts and templates, custom badges and emojis that appear next to members' comments and in live chat, so it stands out from all the other comments. I'll talk more about the perks later. Here's how to turn on and set up memberships for your YouTube channel. Log into YouTube channel, click on monetization, then under memberships, click see more. If I hover over turn on, it says you can turn on memberships after completing all the steps shown below. Here's how to set up your different membership levels. You can have up to 5 different membership levels, and each level can have 1 to 5 perks. You can add or remove a membership level at any time, but when a membership level is removed, the recurring payments will be cancelled for that tier. You can also set different prices for each level and offer different perks at each price. Just keep in mind that when you create your perks, they must comply with YouTube's policies, YouTube community guidelines, and membership policies. Hey, if you're getting value out of the content so far, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more content like this every week. So under set up your memberships offer, you can create a single membership level or offer multi-levels and prices. So if I click on start, it says come up with unique perks that reward members. The perks you offer will affect who joins and at what level. Offering at least 3 price levels is shown to boost revenue. So you've got low level, medium level, high level. Here are the pricing levels that you can offer for viewers in the United States. As you can see, it ranges from the lowest price, which is 99 cents, to the highest price, which is $99.99. Just keep in mind that YouTube takes 30% of your revenue and you keep 70%. You can upload loyalty badges and emojis, upload videos and set them to members only. You can post to any level in your channel's community tab, set chat to members only in your public live streams, and you can live stream with members. So if I click on unnamed level 1, I enter a name, monthly price, select the country, then create the perk. So I've got loyalty badges and custom emojis. Then I can choose level 2 or add another level. Let's talk about how to create badges and emojis. Under badges and emojis, I can upload members-only badges and emoji that lets the biggest fans stand up from the crowd in comments and live chat. So if I click on start, it says that members get a special badge next to their username for comments and live chat on your channel. So I can upload my own or use generic YouTube badges.
Not only will you get a special Markiplier's Heroes badge next to your name anywhere that you comment on my channel, in the comments down there or in live chat, you'll get a special badge that levels up with you the longer you've been sponsored.
So I've got membership duration, preview, and actions where I select the image. I can also use generic YouTube badges, which YouTube provides. If I click on emoji, it says you can upload your emoji. So emojis are fun graphics that members can use in live chat and comments on your videos. So I've got emoji name, you can preview it. Under actions, you can select the image. Here's an image showing the custom badge and custom emojis I created for my channel members. Of course, this could change as I get feedback from the channel members, and also I might add more emojis and badges. Another thing to keep in mind is that your perks have to be approved by YouTube. This usually takes about 24 hours. Keep in mind you can only turn on channel memberships after your perks have been approved by YouTube and you've completed the setup process. Let's talk about how to announce your memberships. This is where you can create a special video to explain why memberships are important to you and what's in it for your fans. It will help them to get excited and answer any questions they may have. Here's an example of an announcement video from Jessica.
Hello lovely person, thank you for clicking the join button to find out more about the Kelvin Fozard Club. Memberships is a feature on YouTube that allows subscribers to not only support their favourite creators, but also gain better access to them. My Kelvin Fozard Club helped me to keep this channel going and also just wonderful people. As a member of the club, you pay a small monthly subscription fee and receive all of the wonderful perks listed below.
You can add a video that helps attract members. You got key points to communicate, point out the new join button, explain why memberships are so special, talk about the perks you're offering and how members will get them, reassure fans who don't join that nothing will change. You've also got examples here of how other creators did it. And YouTube says that a standalone video usually works best. A single video dedicated to your membership offer can have the most impact. Here's how to create members-only posts. On the post to welcome new members, YouTube suggests to create some members-only posts, giving a warm welcome to your biggest fans. Posting regularly from your channel's community tab is a great way to keep members coming back month after month. It says regular communication helps members feel special. Use members-only community posts to share what's on your mind, poll your fans, deliver your perks. On your community tab, select all channel members after creating your post. And that's how you set up your channel memberships. Here's how to become a channel member on YouTube. Visit the channel or video of the creator that you'd like to support and check if they have memberships enabled on their channel. If they have channel memberships enabled and turned on, you'll see the join button on their YouTube channel or under the video. As you can see, I've created a membership level for my YouTube channel called Bootcamp, where you get custom emojis, custom badges, and you'll get access to members-only live streams. On the members-only live streams, I'll be doing channel reviews where I identify the elements that you should improve to grow your YouTube channel. Just click the join button below to become a channel member. Besides supporting my channel, I'll be able to help you grow your own channel. You'll also be able to get custom emojis and custom badges that appear next to your name in the comments or live chat. Just click on the join button and enter your payment information. After you've done that, just click buy and you'll see a welcome announcement showing that your transaction has been completed. The process is the same whether you're on a computer or on a mobile phone. When you have an active paid membership, you'll automatically be charged at the start of each monthly billing cycle. If you cancel your channel membership, you won't be charged again. You'll still be able to use the badge and have access to the perks until the end of the billing cycle. Keep in mind you won't be refunded for the period of time when you cancelled until the end of the billing cycle. So how much revenue am I going to receive as a channel owner? According to YouTube, creators receive 70% of membership revenue after the tax and fees have been deducted. Payment processing fees, including card fees, are currently paid by YouTube. I'm glad to hear that. How can you see how much money you've made on YouTube by monetizing your channel? Click on Analytics in YouTube Studio, then click on the Revenue tab. You'll see the monthly estimated revenue, your top earning videos, revenue sources, ad types, and transaction revenue. The transaction revenue report will give you an overview of estimated earnings for channel memberships and merch if you have them. Just keep in mind that your finalized earnings can be found in your AdSense account under payments. In my experience, the finalized earnings don't appear in AdSense until halfway through the following month. For example, the AdSense earnings that have accrued in November won't appear in my AdSense account until mid-December. Here are a few tips to make your channel memberships a success. Number one, offer a lot of value. Create perks that offer a lot of value and only members have exclusive access to them. Number two, offer different membership levels based upon the value of the perks that you can deliver. Number three, make the memberships recurring. Members will pay a small fee every month, but they can cancel any time. So try to keep them happy for the long term. Number four, try not to alienate. Tell your regular subscribers that the exclusive membership content won't impact the regular content on your channel. Number five, make sure you keep promoting your memberships. For example, you can thank members at the end of your videos. You can also make an announcement video about your channel memberships. But Herman, is there a way to make money on YouTube without being a member of the YouTube Partner Program that requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? No worries, just watch the video on the screen right now on how to monetize YouTube videos without 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers.